In this video, you will learn how to subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have three columns in this sheet. First two columns shows the numbers, while third column shows the result of subtraction. You can see here in this row I have subtracted 10 from 40 and the result is 30. Similarly, I have also performed subtraction in remaining rows. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to subtract numbers in Excel. Additionally, you will also learn how you can automatically apply the formula from one cell to remaining cells. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the number. You can see here two columns show the numbers, and I will subtract the number which is given in column B from column A. To do this, firstly select the cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the result in this cell, so I will click on it, and you can see here this cell is selected. Put equal sign in this cell, which indicates that you will apply a formula. Firstly, select the any number. For example, I will select this one, then put minus sign and select another number which you want to subtract and press enter. Now you can see here you have performed the subtraction successfully. Now you don't need to apply formula on individual rows. There is another good option in Excel. Simply select the cell where you already apply the formula and place your cursor on the corner of that particular cell. A plus sign appears. Drag it to remaining cells and Excel will automatically apply the formula on that particular cells. You can see here this shows the subtraction result. 90 minus 30 result is 60. Similarly, 80 minus 20 result is 60. So from here you can guess that there is no need to apply the formula on individual cells. Excel will automatically calculate these values for remaining rows.